Hi, welcome to Biology and Biology Honors. So we're going to go over the course overview, talk about Google Classroom and Zoom etiquette just a little bit, and we'll start with the course overview. So in this course, we will explore biological principles, including but not limited to evolution, DNA, cell division, genetic variation, photosynthesis and respiration, ecosystems, growth models, biodiversity, and human impact. At the end of the year, traditionally, we have a state exam. Last year we didn't, but I'm pretty sure that we will this year. So be prepared. Keep all of your things. Keep a lab notebook, and we'll review before that state exam. Students in honors classes are expected to learn the material in the standard level courses, but at a greater depth, work more independently, and complete more independent, in-depth science investigations. So I hope you're ready for this virtual challenge. I know that I am, and I know that we can do this and still learn and be successful. All right, Google Classroom. Everything is going to be posted on Google Classroom. As a school, we've adopted Google Classroom as our go-to place. So everybody will have Google Classroom, and that will be very nice. I'll have videos, I'll have assignments, I'll have links. I also will have my information on the school website and a Wix page where you could also view the assignments without having to log into Google Classroom. Suggestion that I have is for you to have your students save their login information in their phone. They're likely to lose paper more often than they're going to lose their phone. So keep everything in their phone. When you get onto Google Classroom, when you add the code, which I will give you during our first Zoom meeting, then from the class page, you can add your email and you can get updates as a parent as to when things are posted. So you could set that up, set your preferences. The nice thing is when you do that for one class, every time your student's email shows up for all of their classes, it automatically adds your email. So you only have to do that once. Trust your student to know how to do things. These kids are smart. They know how to use technology. Have them show you if you're not sure that they're doing something right. Ask them, like, how do you do that? I bet you they know. And then I suggest helping your students set up a schedule or approve their schedule. During this virtual time management is important. So you need to make sure that you have set time aside to do your work. Not only are you going to have to log in during specific times and be on time for Zoom classes, but you have to work on assignments as well. So let's talk about some Zoom etiquette. I will go through the do's and then I'll go through the don'ts. So please do arrive on time to meetings with your camera on. Do sit in a quiet spot with limited distractions. Do keep yourself on mute and raise your virtual hand to speak. And I will go over all of these things with the students and make sure they know how to do them. Do dress appropriately. You still need to be within Somerset Locy dress standards, and make sure that family members know not to disrupt you at this time. All right, don't eat or drink during our meetings, please. Don't walk around with your device. Stay in one spot during our meeting. Don't turn on music or the television during the meeting or Netflix or whatever it is that you prefer to watch. We're in class, right? Even when you're at home. Don't forget to smile and be happy that we are still a learning community. I'm excited for this opportunity. I can't wait to get started, and I will see you guys all soon. Thanks. Bye.